not bad.
I love it when things go smoothly.
Seriously? But this adventure sucked ass.
Dwarves are always so negative. I thought it was fun.
It sucked.
No, it didn't. We successfully explored a remarkable dungeon.
A crappy ruin, you mean?
We earned experience and looted some high-quality stuff.
I got sandals that match my green skirt.
Still, I did lead a team of 8.
Yeah, 1 dwarf and 7 dweebs.
I'm not a dweeb, you barstool.
We had some interesting quests.
I met a lot of nice people.
Who threw stones at you?
And I gotta say, we did fight a lot of battles.
I got to shoot arrows.
And the game totally killed on PC. People loved it.
Oh, yay! I got a good grade for once.
And we had the best sales in video game history.
Really?
I mean, 7?
But is it all over now?
No way. We're coming out on consoles with a brand new adventure.
I love gamepads and teensy little buttons. Though, not sure I'll come if the dwarf's gonna be there.
I'm your worst nightmare, turnip face.
Ah, come on, stay.
Zombies!
There's gonna be super friendly creatures.
Ah?
Yeah. It'll be in a cozy, nicely lit place.
Yippee!
And with easy battles.
What the bullshit?
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna tell the truth, am I? Oh, man. Being the party leader is so hard.
You're not my leader. You couldn't lead a chicken coop.
Well, I think that it...
Let's stop it. Turnips are not equipped for thinking.
At least I don't stink like runny old goat poop.
Oh, boy. This is gonna be a long one.